All of you. Today we can talk about the ficus species. Ficus species is very important species for our we can say the forest and animals. So we can start the genus Ficus, universally known as fig. इसे हम fig भी कहते हैं. Belong to the family. किस फैमिली से बिलोंग करता है? मोरेसी is one of the largest plant genera with more than 750 species which can distributed worldwide. So we can talk the more about ficus. Most of the ficus species are good fodder sources. The large number of vertebrates depend for food on ficus species due to their status as keystone species of frugivorous seed dispersal. So the ficus species is very good and rich for fodder species. Various species of ficus, many more species, जितनी हमारी 750 species है उसमें से various species of ficus are drought and pest resistance, and most species are fire resilient, which enable them to survive and grow well under the punctive conditions. So ficus species play a significant role in supporting high biodiversity in the tropical forest ecosystem. So we can talk about the fruit of ficus. The fruit of ficus are hollow and have teeny flowers in the inner wall of the unripe fruit. So the flowering and fruiting stage is different in ficus species because the initiation of flower is after initiation of fruiting. फ्रूटिंग इसमें पहले होती है, देन उसके बाद फ्लावरिंग होती है इन द इनर वॉल ऑफ अनराइप फ्रूट. राइपनिंग फ्रूट्स में तो सीड डेवलप होते हैं, अनराइप फ्रूट में इसमें क्या रहता है? फ्लावर्स डेवलप होते हैं. फ्लावर्स आर इनविजिबल बिकॉज फ्रूट के अंदर है. पॉलिनेटिंग इंसेक्ट एंटर द फ्रूट फॉर पॉलिनेटिंग प्रोसेस. सो वी कैन नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज कलर. The color of most immature fruit is green. Mostly green ही रहता है. Then the color change after ripening, including just like yellow, pink, and sometime it can change into purplish black. The fruiting habitat are mostly two types. In ficus it is also two type, axillary and cauliflory. So we can talk about the axillary. It is a leaf scar of the previous season growth. And in cauliflory, just like tree flowers are produced in dense bunch on small or large branches, fruit change color from green to frequently bright and visible red yellow. We can discuss already that point. Ficus species are the best known example for relationship with pollinating wasp. This is belong to the Hymenoptera, which with relatively few exceptions. The pollination of fruit by highly specific wasp. The wasp is different to the different species. Wasp is the best known example of obligate mutualist relationship between plant and insect. जैसे हमने बात करी कि इसमें जो म्यूटलिज्म रिलेशनशिप की हम बात कर रहे हैं, तो इंसेक्ट और प्लांट की, बिकॉज जो इसमें इंसेक्ट हैं वो इसके बैक पार्ट से एंटर करके उसमें पॉलिनेशन और फर्टिलाइजेशन का प्रोसेस करते हैं, देन इसमें सीड डेवलप होते हैं. सो जस्ट अबाउट हाफ ऑफ ऑल फिग स्पीशीज आर मोनोशियस. इन दीज species all inflorescence bear male and female flower with different style length. And we can talk about the nowadays. आजकल क्या है, what is the importance of ficus species? Nowadays ficus is an important crop worldwide for fresh and dry consumption. हम इसका फ्रेशली भी यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे कि जो इसका रॉ फ्रूट है एज अ वेजिटेबल और एज अ पिकल हम इसका यूज़ करते हैं. एंड ड्राई फॉर्म में वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट और कॉमन एग्जांपल ऑफ ड्राई इज फाइकस कैरिका. इट इज़ अंजीर. इन कॉमन भाषा में आप इसे अंजीर कहते हैं, एंड इट इज़ अ फाइकस कैरिका. सो इसे हम ड्राई और फ्रेश दोनों मोड में कंज्यूम करते हैं. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डेटा डाइटरी रेफरेंस इनटेक पब्लिश्ड बाय द फूड एंड न्यूट्रिएंट बोर्ड ऑफ द यूएस Institute of Medicine and the nutrient composition of dry fruit that can be demonstrated to be a great source of mineral and vitamins, just like iron, calcium, potassium, thiamine, and riboflavinoid. So these are the many minerals. Other than more minerals, and the fruit of ficus are rich with sodium, fat, and cholesterol free. So ficus species is you can say the wild edible species, and the dependency of food on different species of ficus is very high. Now we can talk about the species of India, uh, and we can say the species of ficus in India. In India, it is 115 species of ficus are distributed throughout the country, and the maximum diversity of species lie in the northeast region, having about 43 species in Meghalaya along, and may be considered as the hotspot region in India. Then we can talk about the Kumaon and Garhwal region. 19 species of ficus are found in Kumaon and Garhwal hilly region of central Himalaya. So these are the importance and the mutualism relationship between plant and insect about the ficus species. So we can talk more about the ficus species and fact and important interesting things. So thank you so much for this video.